Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing here should be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and understand the risks before investing.
Welcome back everyone to another Bitcoin update. So getting started, we have seen a bit of a downtrend for Bitcoin. We broke below that micro support for that possible another high for that third wave. So it kind of leaves us back into this larger degree sideways trend that we have been tracking for the last couple of weeks, and we very well could break below this fourth wave support and go back to ranging as well. That wouldn't be surprising to see that. Right now it kind of just seems like the market is undecided with buyers and sellers whether they want to push the price up or push it back down. So I wanted to keep things as simple as possible and just our indicators and support zone that we could start to look for whether we are getting a indication of this white A wave, which, like we've been saying for the last couple of videos, an A, B, C to the upside for a larger degree A wave, or whether all of this is just a larger degree A, B, C corrective pattern where we could get one more low in that fifth orange wave. And for this orange wave, our first indication would obviously be a break below our fourth wave support between 67,317 to 68,602. Our second indication would be a break below our second wave at 63,000. Now it is totally possible if we do break below these two swing lows, we could just be going for a extended B wave, or then we can try again to the upside. But once we kind of break below obviously our last level at 60,000, well then it is more probable that this fifth wave or this orange fifth wave is indeed playing out. For our white wave, is what we want to see is first a break above this swing high at 73,500, and then obviously a break above our third wave at 74,111. And we would also like to see a micro 5 wave move up for our first wave, and then we could get a 3 wave move down, and then a 5 wave move up in our third wave, and then a 4th wave down, and then our final 5th wave to the upside, and then we could add B wave support if that scenario were to play out. Right now we haven't seen a reaction with this support region. So far it's just been kind of choppy. Maybe once we see a reaction, we can start looking for a 5 wave move for indication for that 5th wave. Otherwise, if we just get a corrective A, B, C, and then a rejection, well then it becomes more and more probable that this 5th wave, or at least this C wave to the upside setup, would obviously be invalidated, and we could either be going for a extended B wave or that orange 5th wave to the downside. So we are heading into the weekend, so obviously low volume, so we will just kind of have to let time do its thing. We could over the weekend just range between support and possibly some of these swing highs, or a smaller resistance area around this 70,000 level. So there isn't really too much to look for, and not too much has really changed. Been kind of the same thing for the last couple of weeks, about the last month or so, just within this range, looking for a setup for this white wave or this orange wave scenario to play out. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for the update. Not too much has really changed from the last video. If we break below support, that's our first indication that we could be either in a larger degree B wave or that orange 5th wave. And our first indication for this white wave is a break above our micro resistance at the 70,000 region. And we need a 5 wave, micro 5 wave move up and a 3 wave move down for that as well. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.